In the quiet town of Ulm, Germany, in the year 1879, a child was born who would one day change the way humanity understood the universe. His name was Albert Einstein. As a young boy, Albert was different from other children. He spoke late, often lost himself in deep thought, and had a fascination with nature and numbers. One day his father gave him a small compass, and young Albert was mesmerized. No matter how he turned it, the needle always pointed in the same direction. This simple object sparked a lifelong curiosity in him. What unseen forces govern the universe? Albert was not the best student in school. He found the rigid teaching methods boring and disliked memorization. His teachers thought he was lazy, but in reality, he was always thinking, questioning, and imagining. When he was older, he enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, where he excelled in mathematics and physics. However, after graduation, he struggled to find a job as a professor. Instead, he took a modest position at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. Although this job had nothing to do with scientific research, it gave him time to think. Every evening after work, he would return home and ponder the mysteries of time, space, and light. He would imagine himself riding on a beam of light, wondering what would happen if he could travel at the speed of light. Then came the year 1905, later known as his miracle year. In this single year, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that would change physics forever. One of them introduced the world to his special theory of relativity, where he proposed a shocking idea. Time and space are not fixed, they are relative and depend on the observer. From this, he derived the most famous equation in history, E equals mx squared, which showed that energy and mass are interchangeable. As Einstein's fame grew, so did the world's recognition of his genius. But his journey was not without struggles. He faced skepticism from other scientists, and as a Jewish scientist in Germany, he was forced to flee when the Nazis rose to power. He moved to the United States, where he took a position at Princeton University. During World War II, Einstein's work indirectly contributed to the development of the atomic bomb. Though he was a pacifist, he signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning that Nazi Germany might be developing nuclear weapons. This led to the Manhattan Project, though Einstein himself did not work on it. After the war, he regretted this, and became a strong advocate for world peace. In his later years, Einstein continued to work on a unified theory that could explain all the forces of nature, but he never succeeded. Still, he remained a beloved and respected figure, known not only for his intelligence, but also for his humor and humility. On April 18, 1955, Albert Einstein passed away, leaving behind a legacy that continues to shape the world. His theories led to the development of modern technology, from GPS systems to space travel. But beyond his scientific discoveries, Einstein taught the world something even greater. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. And so, the boy who once marveled at a simple compass grew into a man who unlocked the secrets of the universe, proving that curiosity and imagination can change the world.